In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments in QuickBooks Online. Managing your customer accounts efficiently is crucial, especially when you run into overpayments, a common occurrence in any business. Let's dive into how you can navigate through this process smoothly. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on Customers and Leads. This section is your gateway to everything related to your customer interactions, including tracking payments and managing profiles. Next, proceed to click on the Customers tab. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your customers along with their current balances. It's a hub of information, helping you keep track of who owes what and who might have paid a bit more than necessary. As you examine the list, pay close attention to the Open Balances column. If you notice any negative amounts, it means some customers have overpaid. Essentially, they've given you more money than what was owed for their invoices. At first glance, this might seem like a headache, but QuickBooks makes resolving this fairly straightforward. The first step in handling these overpayments is deciding whether to issue a refund or to create a credit memo, which the customer can use against future invoices. Both approaches are valid, and your choice might depend on your company's refund policy or your customer's preference. To proceed with either option, locate and click on the New button at the top left corner of the screen. This button serves as a central hub for creating various transactions and managing customer accounts. After clicking it, you'll see several options unfold. If you choose to issue a refund, select Check. This option allows you to process a refund check and effectively return the amount the customer overpaid. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the check setup, ensuring you've filled in all the necessary details accurately. Alternatively, you might decide to retain the overpaid amount in your account and apply it to the customer's future purchases. To do this, select Create a Credit Memo instead. This option lets you establish a credit that will automatically apply to any upcoming invoices for the customer, simplifying both your bookkeeping and the customer's future transactions. With that, you've successfully managed the overpayment. Remember, regular review of customer balances can help you catch these kinds of discrepancies early on, allowing you to deal with them efficiently and maintain goodwill with your customers. And that's all there is to it. QuickBooks Online offers a streamlined approach to handling overpayments, ensuring you can keep both your accounts and your customer relationships in excellent standing. Whether you choose to issue a refund or apply a credit memo, the process is designed to be simple and effective, saving you time and keeping your accounts accurate. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your business finances with ease.